if you guys just want to probably just move a little bit down, or you guys can come up by me. I don't bite. Don't be scared of the house either.
No, I'm recording.
That's dude.
Okay. This house was built by the Washburn Mill Company in 1883 for its workers in the logging and lumber industry. Many of its later owners were pioneers of business in Anoka, including Edward Thurston, who lived here for 1 year with his two brothers, Fred and Isaac, as well as 5 other boarders. Around 1890, Edward and Fred started a furniture store called Thurston Brothers, which was located on 2nd and Jackson. In addition to furniture, they also sold coffins and caskets. So it's furniture for life and furniture for the afterlife. The current owners are convinced this house is inhabited by a spirit, a very playful one that likes to have fun, the kind of fun that gets really annoying. A man who was in touch with the spirit world went on one of the very first ghost tours. After the tour, he contacted the History Center. He said at this house he saw a 12-year-old boy named Pete sitting on the porch roof watching the tour group. Since then, the homeowners have been known to yell at Pete to be quiet. One trick was hard to ignore. The smoke detectors in the hall outside their bedroom door went off one morning between 4:30 and 5 a.m. for no apparent reason. No smoke and no fire. After 3 days of being rudely awakened in the wee hours of the morning, the couple removed the batteries from the detector and thought that the problem was solved. But once again, at 5 o'clock the next morning, the smoke detector went off without batteries. No explanation has been found. In addition, the family says there are many instances of TVs and cordless phones coming on by themselves. The toilet flushes when no one's in the bathroom, and cats jump and yell like someone had pulled their tails when no one was near them. When the owners relayed these stories to their very logical-minded 17-year-old, 18-year-old son, he laughed it off. But that all changed when his parents went on vacation and asked their son to keep an eye on the house in their absence. After doing a few chores, their son turned off the stereo and walked to the front door, ready to leave. But before he could reach the door, the stereo came back on. He turned it off again, but it came on again before he reached the door. Not knowing what was happening, he turned it off again and raced for the door. Now their son admits there might be something spooky going on. So this house actually has a unique doorbell. The doorbell occasionally rings on its own. The owners are standing where they can clearly see the door. In fact, that no one is ringing the bell. It is not an electric bell that we have that go ding dong. It's one of the old-fashioned kind where you have to twist the knob and it rings mechanically. Very often as you're leaving, the people in the back of the group will hear the bell ring. So it takes some force to ring the bell. Alright, we're going to walk down this sidewalk and we're going to head over to Main Street.